Had to throw the summer wheels back on because, ladies and gentlemen, the Z is going to the shop tomorrow. Basically, the only things that I wanted to do that we didn't get to in the last video were the rear hatch and the front hood strut kit. These ones are looking pretty rough. Yeah, look at that. Ouch. But luckily this new one comes with the new pieces. Alright, we got it all in the bag, and let's get this bad boy on. Yeah, that's looking a lot better. A lot more chrome. And the best part, check this out, guys. Oh, I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Okay. Whew. Ready? So not only does it stay closed, it stays open, and when I finally get my wing, these things will be able to support it. Hopefully that's the last time we have to do that bull crap. Just get the flashlight on here. Alright guys, so this is the setup we've currently got right here. Upgrade. Shout out to Danielle for her garden snips. Alright, we got some hardware in this bad boy. Couple balls. Couple latches. And then our struts. Woo! High pressure as well too, that's what's up. Nice and fancy. First bracket's on, but upon further inspection, the bolt hole where I'm supposed to put the other side, the actual ball, has a broken bolt in it, and I don't have anything to extract it, so I'm not going to be able to fully install this today. I might do one half, I might see how it feels, I don't really know. So I'm gonna have to put this away for now, save this for later, and jump to the other side. Very nice. We are hood propless officially. The hood goes up pretty tall too. It's kind of hard to tell with the zoom, but it sits pretty wide open. I love it. All right. And my dad actually came in and pointed out this bolt right here that's stuck. I soaked it in some WD-40, but you can see the other end down here. So we're gonna try to get some pliers on that and back it up. And if that's the case, then we can finish up this side as well. And look at that. My grandpa came through, helped me drill out this boy. And we just put a nut down low. You can see it right there. And we are good to go. Oh, that's so much better. And the best part is, get rid of this piece of crap. Oh, that is so nice. The hood sits crazy high too. That'd be so nice for working on everything. They look so good. Sick. Yo, and with that, the Z is ready to go to the shop. We got all our goodies in here. The rear window spoiler. We got the splitter up top. It's gonna be an uncomfortable ride in the morning, but hey, fuck it. We got our goodies. We got our eyelids, antennas. We got a couple hoses. These probably won't get put on at the shop, but the rest will. We can go ahead and close our hatch. Holy crap! Whew. Go ahead and peel this tape off. She's all ready to go to the shop. It's crazy how fast this is moving, but yeah. Tomorrow morning we're gonna go ahead and wake up nice and early, 4 o'clock, 4:30 a.m., something like that, and head into work. Tim's gonna meet me here, and we're gonna throw my bumper in the back, and I'm gonna go ahead and drive her up. It's supposed to be the best day of the week. It's supposed to be like 39 degrees, I think, and sunny, so weather's looking pretty good. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the night, guys. Well, I appreciate you guys watching, and it means so much to me if you guys could leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And if you already have, I appreciate you guys being here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Next time you see the Z, she will not be here. Alright. Take it easy, you guys.